Hello traders, happy Saturday to you, and welcome to episode 325 of TO the Trade. Could be doing anything but you're here, and I really appreciate that. Yeah, we played some base nectar for, it was just a request, so done. We did it, man. All right, so Bitcoin, the fake out was very real, right? We broke to the upside on receding volume, and then we have pretty much given up all our gains. Looking at a 60-minute chart right now, anchor point 1 from January 8th, anchor point 2 from January 26th, 1 and 2. It seemed like we were going to break that, maybe. Weekend's going to be tenuous anyway. When we broke it, as soon as we broke it, the sell-off began. We just spent 4 hours making lower lows, right? Just really like low, the lower low, the lower low, the lowest low. But hey, great news here. We're bouncing off the 20 moving average right now, so maybe we can stay above that. And if we continue this kind of price action, this upsloping, we might see a golden cross in a 60-minute chart. Really doesn't matter. It's not that big a deal at all. So, we sold off, got too hot too fast, got overbought. My music, man, hold on. So we're back to the 80s now. Okay. That was View Prodigal, man, and others. All right, I hear he has his peoples with him, and thank y'all for watching. Okay, I don't want the misconception to be that this is some sort of crypto show. It is, but it's also not at the same time. Where it's we do technical analysis to make decisions on where this market may or may not be going, based on coinciding variables, indicators, RSI, MACD, harmonic patterns, fractals, whatever. Okay, it's all about the charts and the candles in this stream. Okay, so just want to throw that out there. If we're talking about blockchain fundamentals and technology, there are plenty of live streams for that. But anyway, this channel pretty well respected, right? So with those anchor points and 2 on the bottom, and then some heartline resistance and some support multiple times, and this is clearly being respected as resistance. Just can't break it. But we'll see, man. We'll see. Why will we see? Go to the 4-hour chart. Boom. Here is our let me change this. I guess that we could keep it there, whatever, but I don't know, man. Let's probably a better idea to hide this, only make it visible on the 1 hour. It's supposed to only be visible on the 1 hour. It says 1 hour. Let's just do this then. Okay, 1 hour, and we'll keep this with the 1 hour. Oh my god, dude. I can't double click without it freaking out. Visibility, 1 hour chart. Okay. So anyway, 4-hour chart, we're just going to leave the harmonic up, the bullish Gartley pattern, and see what happens. Our entry is at 33.42, currently sitting at 34.46. Okay, so we're being patient, waiting for the targets to be hit. First target should be 36.33, second target 38.14, and then it's debatable on the third target. Okay, we could go with the previous overhead resistance, the C of our harmonic, of our Gartley, 4100. But these are the expected targets if this does not fail, if this potential trade setup does not crap out and fail and break down to lower prices, which it could, right? There's no one in this channel saying that it's a sure thing that we're going to hit target here, okay? Harmonics are just like any other pattern out there. They're the same thing as a head and shoulders pattern. A Gartley is the same thing as a descending broadening wedge, right? Or a falling wedge or a rising wedge, right? They are all potential trade setups, okay? So we're just taking that we took this trade setup and we're waiting, okay? Because that's what you do as a swing trader. 90% of trading is waiting. Hey, FZ Fool, man, thanks for the 1 XRP, man. Thanks for the 30 cents or 31 cents or something. Thanks, dude. Kangs. Much love, man. All right. So anyway, that's it. We looked at the 60-minute chart, the 4-hour chart, just trying to make sense of this crazy world we're in right now. Okay, that is 24/7, unregulated, and yeah, a lot of liquidity and volatility has left this market. Okay, hence why the numbers are down and stuff. So on everything, really, like any kind of crypto streamer or whatever, they're going to be feeling it right now. Okay, so only the strong survive. Will we rise? We will see. Okay, in the meantime, we take our trades we drink our beer. And we enjoy the weekend, man. We enjoy the weekend. I hope you brought your favorite beverage, whether it's coffee, tea, beer, wine, liqueur, hard liquor, or marijuana, right? Don't really condone anything else, you know. Water's good, but nothing, beyond marijuana, especially if it's, legal in your state, province, country, whatever. AFC Fool, thanks for the 2 XRP. That's 3 XRP contributed, man. Thanks so much, dude. Appreciate that, all right? Much love, man. Okay. I wish there was some sort of way I could implement your contribution into the stream, but I can't just because we use Stream Element, Streamlabs. It's the only thing that exists that works really with OBS. Okay, man. So maybe one day we can dream to be kanks. All right. Anyway, Steve Schmitz, what's up, man? Crypto Tiger, Chaylin. Chaylin, I didn't know which one you were talking about when you said sounds good. You'll get on it or whatever, because I said 2 different things. Hopefully you said it to both.
Will Mr. Gump score a touchdown in the Super Bowl, or is rooting for who? Drink and be merry.
Is that a prop bet?
Is that a joint?
Oh, it's a joint. Okay. Thanks, Alabama Slammer, for the $4.20, man. Kangs. Will he score? It's a tough one, man, because I don't even know if he's playing. AS Swartz 88, man. Thanks for the sub. You've subbed like 20 times now. What's up, dude? Thanks, man. Power up. What's up, John Legend? Jurgen, Robert Kurt, Crypto Stang. What's up, Moz? Kang Logan with the 8s, the 8 balls. Oh my god, man. That's a lot of 8 balls. What? Phil Centura, dude. You gonna test your luck tonight, Phil Centura, man? Get wrecked, man. What's up, Julia? Cygirl? Cygirl, will we get the fireworks tonight? It's been rough lately, okay? Hey, we posted our first static video in the history of this channel. Well, actually, no, I mean, a real one. Like, not like me walking with coffee or something stupid like that. Like, I actually did, like, an analysis, a 6-minute long analysis of the total crypto market cap. So, if you hadn't checked it out, check it out. Hit that like button, because that's my introduction to the wilds of static videos. Okay, man. Thanks. Yeah, we could do the fireworks on that one, though, because we got over 100 likes. Oh, my God. Really appreciate y'all. Okay. What's up, Beatmaster Black Hat? I know you, dude. That base negative for you, dude. Okay. Holy crap, man. Party night, Arthur, man. Prove it, dude. Prove it. Where's yours? All right. Have you lit those candles yet? To signify the beginning of the party. Hey, P. Miller, what's up, dude? Hope you're having a good one, man. As always. TA 101 with Hippie. What's up, Hippie, dude? Hope you're representing okay. You're holding it down. 2-player mode. Well, yeah, it is kind of 2-player mode. I didn't change it just because she's here, but I think she's gonna stream. We got her set up in the alt room, the alt office. So she's gonna stream a little bit later, and I don't want to like take away from her people's. Okay, she's free to do that stuff, man.
Will and the princess eat popcorn during the game? Drink and be merry.
Hold on, what was that? Bighorn Will and the princess. Who's Will? And I know the princess, but who's Will? Eat popcorn during the game, drink and be merry. I don't know if we'll eat popcorn. We'll probably eat something. But who's this Will guy? Okay. Don't make me Crypto Kai, Cobra Kai. All right. Quiet. Thanks, Bitcorn. But I get it because of the Bitcoin popcorn. I get it, man. Thanks, dude. Holy crap. You don't even hear the music right now? What's up, Yobo? Crypto Tiger, man. Episode party. Yeah, dude. Congrats on another episode. Yeah, I guess, man. Just a random 325. It's a quarter. We got 3 1/4 now. All right. Yeah, I don't know what OPSEC is. OPSEC, Beatmaster. Sorry, man. Okay. Maybe you can teach me in stream, dude. Okay. Sorry, we're just getting through chat. It's what I do after I analyze Bitcoin on a couple time scales, whatever. We just we say hello, okay? We give our greetings. Alan G, where's Allie G, dude? Okay. ETC, you want to look out to bankruptcy to BTC? Okay. Whatever, P. Miller. You got a ticker you want me to do? Whether you just want me to guess? I guess I can guess. So, Jamie. Hey, F66Z66. Is that you, dude, coming in with those XRPs, man? Thanks, dude. We'll see, Stuart, man. How you doing, man? I got your text, dude. We'll make it happen, dude. We'll make it. I'll go over there, okay? I'm not used to going outside these days, Kappa, but yeah. All right. Yep, marijuana, Speedmaster. The marijuana. Pablo's still in Chile. Brother Logan. The only reason I know what Hermano is because of Los Pollos Hermanos from Breaking Bad. I don't want to give the interpretation that I knew Spanish. All right. Oh, it's Jeff, man. Jeff, dude. Jeff, what are you drinking tonight, man? Okay. Probably drinking apple juice or something, dude. How are the oscillators on Bitcoin? Holding on to positive momentum. A little bit of a... you want to call that bearish divergence, you can. I guess. Whatever. It's kind of... Have we established a swing high yet? Maybe, I guess. But you're holding on to positive momentum. That's it right now, right? And then your RSI, it's bullish convergence. That's about it, man, right? That's about it. Not really doing much, okay? It's not... Sometimes it's just not... You're looking for lower lows or higher highs to help us a lot of times on these oscillators, okay? Here we go, Pablo, man. All right. Beer and water for PJ. Heck yeah, man. Water is always good, okay? Unless you're the coach from Waterboy. Remember, water sucks. So, okay. Ethereum. Oh my god, it pumped and then dumped like Bitcoin. I'm so surprised, man. Wow, dude. Look at that double top. Goodness gracious. We're still looking to see, you know, X, A, B, C, D, the crab. It could play out. It could not play out, all right? It's a potential trade, and really the thing with it is you're not taking a long position at C. That's not how these patterns are traded. These patterns are traded when you eventually retrace up to a certain fib node, fib extension, and from X to A, the retrace above it, okay? And we just have not...
Can we hear some Stevie Ray Vaughan? Till you look at the cheerleaders and the chicks in the Georgia Dome.
Bueller.
Stevie Ray, man, thanks for $3.33. Yeah, dude, I guess we can turn on a little bit of Stevie Ray, man. Whatever, dude. All right. Why not, man? I don't want to put people to sleep, but I know he's got some good stuff that's not sad.
What up, Elray? Can you look at AG First Majestic Silver? Thanks, Mon.
Beeswax, thanks for the $5 contribution. Sure, man, absolutely. Absolutely. Alright. We're going to put on a little bit of Stevie Ray for Stevie Ray. Alright, thanks for the contribution, and Beeswaxers, I got you covered. AG. Look at AG, man. Alright. Attorney General coin or something, right? No, I get it. I get it, dude. We'll do it. Where's the audio, man? Alright, he's about to start, so I'll make sure I got the decibel levels correct before I roll on. So we can turn just a little bit. This should be perfect right here, I think. Unless I'm mistaken, okay? Chat, give me a sound check, make sure I'm good, okay? Thanks. But anyway, these patterns are meant to be traded when we eventually run to this area of entry for a short position, okay? It's a bearish crab pattern. It's not some sort of bullish development, okay? This thing could easily just break down.
The next one will probably hit. Love you, my Alabama Ranga brother. Clinking beer mugs.
Ranga brother.
Is that a joint?
Thanks, Phil, man, for the 420 contribution. Kangs, dude. Dude, you saw it, man. You literally saw it. I went to my stream elements yesterday. It was the day stream, night stream, I can't remember. And we actually showed you on stream that it was there. That variation was a 3% chance on $25 contributions, okay? So it could happen. Will happen one day, but just, yeah, probably not tonight. So anyway, hope there's no misconception about
Welcome, Radiators.
crab pattern.
Thanks for coming by to learn from a man who I respect and love very much. He has spent over a year coming back here 2 times a day to teach these lovely people analysis. If you guys want to see Corbin take shots of whiskey, tip this man.
Oh yeah, Professor Corbin, man, thanks for the 618. If you don't know about the 618, why did he tip me $6.18? Because that is what we call the golden retrace. Okay, the 61.8% retrace, which is the reciprocal of the golden mean ratio, which is the 1618.
Milk and cookies, please.
I'm sorry. Santa Claus, Chris Kringle, man. Milk and cookies, please. Sure, dude. If you wish it, you can have your milk and cookies. You want the Danish butter cookies, or would you like some other form of cookie? Okay, man. I know Santa Claus is global. He's kind of like crypto, isn't he? I don't really know what to say to that, but yes, Santa Claus. Thanks, dude. To a bearish crab pattern, you wait for this to move up, and you start looking for that teetering, that tottering, that action where we would break above X and run higher, and you're just looking for fib nodes. You could look, you're looking for the 1272, the 1414, and the 1618 for an entry on the short. Okay, they're all areas of entry. You know, normally 1272 is the most loose. That's like the riskier of the fib extension. So you're looking for a 1414 or 1618 on these crabs. Alright, crab patterns. Crab people. Taste like crab. Talk like people. Okay. But either way, besides the harmonic, we're in that little downsloping channel, right? Anchor point 1, 2, 3 on the top, and just 1 on the bottom. And you can clearly see that that 25% trend line on candle close has been extremely powerful support when we touch it, right?
Captain Insino tipped $23.58. Water sucks. It really, really sucks. Conserve water. Drink beer.
I don't know, sir.
Captain Insano shows no mercy. Right. Thanks, Captain Insano, dude. Or Captain Insino. Could be some sort of variation or knockoff generic brand of Captain Insano. Okay, we've seen it before, right? We talk about the, you know, you go in the cereal aisle and you're looking at the bottom, and there's the Fruit Loops, and it's like the monkey is the mascot for that. So I get it, man. I get it. And thanks, dude, for the can contribution. All right, man. Love you, dude. Okay, so let's see. Heart lines, next resistance, man. If we can get there, but you can clearly see, look, any kind of stuff like this. That's like close in reverse type action. The double top, the rejection twice. You tried to break above the heart line but failed twice. So we'll see where we retrace. But look, the good news is for Ethereum people, like, you just gotta put all your faith and hope in Bitcoin. Same with XRP. If Bitcoin starts dumping and it really does not want this bullish garlic pattern to play out at all, I mean, nothing you can do, man. Your coin's gonna go down to the US dollar value. Okay, it's just not gonna work out.
I have nightmares every sea tigers every time I close my everywhere.
Tua Tagovailoa, thanks for the 333 repeating, of course. Oh my god, how did he become the boss? Were we that close? Can somebody take out Tua Tagovailoa as the hype boss, please? Somebody, man. Somebody. Get rid of him, man. All right. Thanks, Tua, for the threes. That wound is still, I don't know, it still hurts, okay? It's not healed or scabbed up yet, or whatever. It's not scar. Definitely not scar. Still a fresh wound, you could say, right? Oscillators, not really doing anything for us. Look, we made a low, a higher low. Higher low is relative strength, so some convergence, and you know, low, higher, low, positive. We're holding on to positive momentum. That's good, man. It's good holding on to positive momentum, all right? So, but the volume sucks. Weekend warrior stuff. We know normally volatility doesn't really happen much on the weekend, okay? So, that's it, man, for your Ethereum. XRP, And it seems like it might be too loud, just based on my side. Might be good there. I don't even know if I changed it. Yeah, that should be okay. Alright, XRP, a little different story. Phil Centura, who thinks the $25 contribution chug variation is rigged. Okay, man. Falling wedge, potential falling wedge. We don't know. Maybe he had a premature breakout, but you know, we had a nice run from 28.5 cents all the way up to 34.1 cents. We've since sold off, but something nice happened when we did sell off. We came, like we talked about, and back tested the golden trend line that is upsloping. That's a upsloping support that stems back to July of 2017 historical support. And if you we talked about falling below, it was extremely bad, not good at all. But it's good though. We have saved by a horizontal line support stemming back to December 15th, where we busted right back into the or above the old support, and now we're back testing it again as a real support. And so now sideways, we're getting squeezed in between the golden trend line and the downsloping resistance of this potential falling wedge. Phil's falling wedge. Okay, what happened? What made us stop this little pop? That 200 moving average. We ran up and touched it perfectly and rejected it. Okay, so that's it, man. Falling wedge. You zoom out, you can see a very well respected equidistant channel. All right, man. Very nice. Going all the way back to February. All right. All the touch points in the world. Trevor, man. God.
Happy to be the new boss. King.
Nah, not yet, dude. It seems like you didn't have enough power, Trevor Lawrence, man. But I guess we'll just do this one. Right, just cuz, man. Just cuz. Oh, hey, Tom Brady. Thanks for the $2 contribution, man. Appreciate that, dude. Sorry, Tom Brady says, big game tomorrow. I am winning another one. Thanks, Lord Ray. Tom Brady, man, thanks for stopping by. I know you're a busy man, right? Very busy, but hey, dude. It's always an honor if you come by just to say hi. But bad memories of Tom Brady. I'm letting them go now. Finally getting rid of them. Will come in.
See them everywhere. Is it the Clemson holding that beautiful the princess in Halloween and costume is more beautiful than that trophy? Drink.
All right. Thanks so much again for the threes, man. Repeating, of course. But I think the consensus in here is that the Rams might do it tomorrow. James Skinner. Whoops. Sorry. My bad. Did not mean to dox you. My bad, dude. I just... Sorry, dude. But, dude, your name is your name, right? So, like, it's not like I'm doxing you. I just accidentally said your name. My bad, dude. Somebody seems to not think that... Someone thinks that Tom Brady is winning. Tom Brady is confident in himself. We know that, right? So, there's your Stevie Ray Vaughan. So I drank, though. I drank Tua. Okay. Thank God Trevor Lawrence did not become the new boss, because that would have been devastating. Oh my God. Anyway, let's get through some more chat, and then we'll move on, and we'll look at AG for the beeswax. Interesting. Okay, yeah, we've looked at it before. That's cool, man. Yeah, we'll look at it as soon as I'm doing some chat. Hey, what's up, zombie man? It was a mid-tray static video fake out live stream. Get wrecked, dude. Yes, Irrikanjis!
I'm back.
Irrikanji jellyfish? Dude, Irrikanjis don't do very well out of water, okay? But I know that it is 2019 and we have new technology. You're probably hooked up to a some sort of Threadripper or something, right? Thanks, dude. Irrikanji.
Trevor Lawrence tipped $23.58. If I were playing for the Rams tomorrow, we would win for sure. Domination. Larso Dojo. Making men out of boys.
What'd you say? Daniel LaRusso Dojo. Are you kidding me? Trevor Lawrence, man? I don't think so, dude. Okay. I really don't think so. Okay, man.
Rams need to bring it home 24-21.
Hold on.
Is that a joint?
24-21. So someone says F Brady and the Pats. Thanks for the 420. I'll look, because our Harmonic book had a typo. We think the Rams are going to win. Okay, your bearish Pat pattern. All right, and that just means that the Pats are bearish, and they're about to break out at the 886. Okay, and we're what we're talking about. We're looking at this right here, the bearish Pat pattern. All right, man, it's right there. It should say bat, but it says Pat. So we're going with it, man. We're literally going with it, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, coin flip. You just never know in these games. Who's gonna win the coin flip? That's the big one. Okay, that's the big prop bet we've all been waiting for. Thanks so much, F. Brady and the Pats, and also hilarious that Trevor Lawrence tried. He tried so hard to become the new boss, but was beaten by the Irukandji jellyfish. Dude, Trevor Lawrence versus an Irukandji, who would win? We just found out. Wow, what a joke. Beaten by freaking jellyfish, dude. But did you know there's the Turritopsis, jellyfish? It's the Turritopsis dorney. Has anyone heard about this? It's an immortal jellyfish. It's... No!
Damn it. Your stream elements is rigged.
Oh my
Needs another
God.
44 to 16.
Oh my God, he is the new boss now. Irukandji, what have you done to me? Hey Trevor, man, thanks for the 44 to 16. I know, man, the score is haunting. It's we haven't seen a beatdown like that in the Saban era, I don't believe. Yeah, just not really. Okay, so yeah, man, thanks for the 44. Take thing, man. God, dang, man. All right. Looks like I'm screwed, man. Looks like I'm screwed with that. Gonna be haunted by it all night now. God. So anyway, let's go to let's just scroll on over to the big one, or the other screen real quick. Okay. Here's your majestic silver corporation, man. All right, clearly been in some sort of downtrend since 2011. And really, we've kind of just been holding below this heart line. Okay, the heart line of the downsloping channel. Understandable. I really haven't been doing anything.
Where do I go to solve my line of where I look there's tiger in my face? 88 octillion 888 septillion 888 sextillion 888 quintillion 888 quadrillion 888 trillion 888 billion 888 million 888,888.
Bueller.
Tunnel of Love.
Tunnel of Love.
Is that a song? Is that a video game, Matt Shafferman?
Bueller.
What is that?
Bueller.
Okay. Thanks, dude. Thanks for the 37720. That's a lot of 8s, man. Okay. Maybe too many 8s for even King Logan to handle. All right. You could ask him in chat, but I don't think he'll tell you if he could handle those 8s or not. All right. Thanks, man. Oh my God. Whew. Drank. I'm supposed to drink every time we hear Mario level up or something. Because if that's the case, it's going to be a long night. Oh my God, or a short night. I don't know. So your silver, remember we have the impulse down and the downsloping consolidation, right? Let's fib real quick. All right, man. Well, let's think here. From your low to your high, how far have we retraced now? Because we're just continuing to make the lower lows, right? Still. We have not hit the 886 yet. Where are we? We're right at them. And we're literally touching the 78.6% retrace.
Trump spent all the wall money on the Patriots to win.
Is that a joint?
Zombie, thanks for the 420 contribution. Did he? Did he really, man? Was that in the news, man? Someone, tell me if that's fake news or not. Cheers. We got you, dude. Thanks, dude. All right, so at the 786, we've not really had much of a reversal, and you've just been unable to break the hard line of the downsloping channel. So just remember, the trend is not your friend right now if you're a long, okay? So, because every time, I mean, look, I get it. You're making higher lows than these lows, surely. And divergence-wise, could you say we have any sort of divergence right now? The low, the lower low. Okay, we had some right here. We'll probably want to go to the weekly on this one too, because I could tell you that weekly is probably pretty good. And so if you go low to low, you know, there's bullish divergence on the daily too. We'll see the weekly real quick. Okay, let's go on the daily. Alright, yeah, just still selling off, right? Still selling off. We are very close to, I mean, it looks like you've been holding support back from, geez, dude, 2007, right back here. Little support area. So you don't want to fall below that, man. Really, really bad news if you break that, dude. That's not much of an investment, okay? You've been holding silver since 2007. You haven't made a dime, okay? Had a nice run up. There's areas where you take profit, right? There are areas. Okay, so. You know what's interesting, man? Real quick, I just want to do something. I'm just looking at something. All right. So 50% retrace, 88.6% retrace. Dude, if you look at it like this, like you could literally make the argument. Okay, too much of a retrace, I guess, right? Yeah, we went 92. No, I thought we went 88%. I just literally went from the low to high and just saw an 88.6% retrace down here. So this we went a little bit lower than that. But dude, you can see that type of harmonic, right? It's not perfect, but it's there. It's the geometry. It's the we're close, man. You're 88.6% retrace. You'd have been okay. 888. Let's leave it right there. So like, you know, we were right in that zone, right? Right in that zone. 160. Look. 1.618, we were close right there too. That could have been an entry target with a looser stop, and man, you could have had an insane run up, right? So just, you know, we're just spitballing looking right now at things, okay? And pretty cool. Pretty cool. These things can be huge, they can be small, they can be on all time scales. This is a weekly time scale, okay? So learn your fibs, master your Fibonacci, so then you can master the harmonics and start memorizing and learning retraces and all that, and so you can signify, you just have more in your arsenal to be successful, okay? Alright, so you can see something like that, okay? 88.6% retrace, 78.6% retrace, 90% retrace, right? We never came down to the very bottom, alright? So, great, cool stuff there. 382, 618, both got hit, okay? That's it, dude. Alright, anyway. Fun to look at stuff, okay, man? It's fun. Charting's fun. Anyway, let's see if you can hold. Look, you've been holding 1, 2, 3, now 4 times you've held the support. Let's see if we can do anything with that, alright? Okay, low, lower low. Lower levels negative momentum, double bottom on the RSIs, Class B bullish divergence, Class A bullish divergence on the weekly. That's good, man. But again, getting above the heart line, very tough, man. Very tough. Maybe set an alert up, because if we can break that, maybe we'll go to higher prices. But for now, we're like at a 78.6% retrace from their most recent major low to high. Okay, beeswaxers. There you go, man and woman. All right. That's it, man. All right. See, if you like the static video, man, I appreciate that, dude. Okay. Zombie also kind of liked it, maybe. All right. Jeff, are you a quarterback, bro? Jeff, man, how come you got the hunchback of Notre Dame, and you got the halfback of Notre Dame, and you got the quarterback of Notre Dame? I don't even think Jeff's ever thought about that, man. Jeff, what you think, man? Oh my God, man. The Cougar Hunter. Wow. Could we make that a new reality TV show? Now, you know, you could have an IRL streamer do that. You know, you can have an older woman who might be like single, ready to mingle, and she's an IRL streamer, and she wants to hunt for that. She could be a cougar hunter, and it could be where she streams it and lets the TTS be out, right? So anyone can talk to whatever, you know. But y'all are bringing this up. I'm just talking about it with y'all, okay? What are you saying? What's up, Aramis, dude? Good to see you, dude. Bits on bits. Where you been, man? Hey, James Skinner. You always enjoy coming to this party, man. Thanks, dude. Enjoy when you make it, man. All right. The more, the merrier. What's up with the 130 people in here? Thank y'all, man. In these, I wouldn't say trying, troubling times. More like stale, dead times or something, right? Bits here, the music, man. Perfect. What's the theme for next week, James Skinner? I'm working on that, okay? I'm working on something. I can't bring it up right now. There's not going to be a theme next week, per se, but... and I don't know when it's coming out, but I have my next idea, my next project is going to be I think y'all will love it. I think y'all will literally lose it when I introduce this, okay? And guess what? We're going to have people that actually are participating in this. And they're going to be like live in Discord with me on stream for a certain amount of time doing this, okay? Let's just say we're going to have some sort of game show, okay? It's going to be fun, man. It's going to be real fun. I can't wait, dude. I'll be your host. All right. What's up, Pat McLaughlin, Connor Anderson. Yeah, we can look at Vechain or something, man. Vechain doing things. Whew. Did Kang Logan appear on To Catch a Predator or something? I'm Chris Hansen. Take a seat. What's up, side girl? See if you want some of that, dude. Maybe I'll give you some of that, okay, dude? Alright, dude. Hold on. Yeah, we'll look at that. But jeez. Sorry. Just on my other monitor. Alright. What a dumpster fire, man. Oh, screw it. Okay, let's go to the Ethereum Classic, whatever. For P. Miller, man. Okay, for P. Miller. Alright, dude. Just starting fresh here. Like, what do you want? You want to include all this stuff here? It doesn't make sense, alright? Let's try to make some sense. For real. And we're just spitballing on these touch points because I don't know. Alright, I really just don't know right now. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, this is US dollar, man. I don't really know what I can do. How am I supposed to use any of this? I can't, man. There's insane volatility. The volatility started subsiding, and we started getting normalization of our price action after this huge move down. Okay, so normalized. Looks like we bounced off that 25% trend line of the equidistant channel, just kind of going sideways, making lower highs than your previous highs, and we've of course been making lower lows than our previous lows over and over and over. If you know anything about Ethereum Classic, it was at one time the true Ethereum, but it got hacked. Everything got compromised, and the only way to save it was by slapping Classic on it and centralizing it and throwing it to the wolves, and then they started over on Ethereum, the Ethereum now we know today. So this is the true form. This is the true Ethereum, but it's a dumpster fire now, right? You know, they got people banning people out of their discords. It's really petty stuff, and so I don't know why people put their money in this. It's just terrible, man. I mean, that's it. So $4.03 currently we're sitting at, and just in May of 2018 we were at $25+. Give me a break, man. All right, so this thing will soon be approaching that 50% trend line again. Okay, probably gonna use that as resistance and fail to break it and sell off again to make lower lows. Okay, wow. At this rate, if we went down to that 25% trend line again, we'd be at less than $1. Holy crap, man. All right, so let's see how well this prevailing trend continues. Okay, all right, if we look left, man, I'm sorry to say that on this chart, really no better support than $3. Okay, $3 is that next support area. I mean, any that even makes sense. Okay, that's it right there. This is all twig and thatch. Okay, so I'm sure at some point very soon we will get rid of all this and come down to at least test this $3 range. You can see this back in August 2016, a little inception price, whatever, with this March of 2017 price. All right, we should test that. And if we can't hold that, then you just got next real stronger support, $1.82, whatever. You got these little nubs right here, scrub nubs. Okay, here's your scrub nub at 250, whatever. Okay, so I don't know why we would not come down to at least test $3 at some point soon. Okay, P. Miller, man, the prevailing trend is bearish. They are out of money. They aren't doing anything. They don't provide any kind of value. All right, they're not it's it. So there's a dumpster fire and waiting for $3. Okay, to see what happens there. All right. Dude, I hate when you try to scale it and it's still so. Okay, man. So that's it, dude. I don't know, man. We're gonna try to do something here. Try to do something. What if that's the case? What about 1 and 2, and then 3 and 4 up there? Seems like we broke out of some sort of channel or flag, right? You had it, man. You had something, and then now you're out. Great. Cool story, right? There it is, dude. There's your bear pole, bear flag of some sort, okay? Dumpster fire. So proud, man. So proud. Whew. Camera's a little fuzzy. What? Aramis, no, that's the point, dude. It's supposed to be fuzzy, alright? We're on VHS right now. It's 80s week. Get it? Cool. About to have to get another beer. Alright. Almost out. What's up, what is 47? Question mark. Not much, man. Just hanging out. Jeff drinking Bud Light and Jameson. You chasing the Jameson with the Bud Light, man? How many Bud Light commercials will be on tomorrow? That should be a prop bet, right, Jeff, man? How many? And how many horses will be in those commercials, right? Julia coming in with the eggplant. The eggplant save. Not the one punch crab 9 pattern. Crab people. Rimlog. What's up, dude? What's up, Doug Reeves, man? Holy crap, man. Yeah, dude, Lando Calrissian, dude. We know you, man. We know you. You helped you helped do things in Star Wars, man. Okay, you helped the rebellion destroy the Empire. Thanks, dude, for everything you've done. All right, for the galaxy. Kanks. What's up, JBP? JBP, you're more like JP. You know, Onios Dairy Nuggets or something. 128, all good. Thanks, Kane Logan, man. Oh my god, I'm so behind on chat. Jeez, dude. You seen it, Phil, man? You seen it? Gorilla Cookies. I don't even know. Is that racist? I'm just reading chat, okay? Stevie Ray is way better background music than electronica. Is electronica actually the genre? Electronica? Don't come get me, okay? What's up, Alex B? Who knew? Alexander Monslow says Stevie Ray background gets him excited for crypto. Oh man, interesting, dude. Getting some feedback on this. Alright, people liked it. The Trevor Lawrence troll incoming? Yeah, dude. I'm screwed. Okay. Only the drink troll could save me now, it seems, right? Jeez. We didn't hear it, Side Girl? We didn't hear what? Sorry, just sucks, man. I keep missing out on some good chat, and I'm trying to catch up. They should change Bitcoin's name to Manipulation Coin. You know, low liquidity, man. It's just a weekend, no volume. Stuff like this is bound to happen. All right, you know, we wait. That's why swing trading's so nice in markets like this, dude. Okay, seriously. Phil's been drinking since breakfast. He can't spell breakfast, man. What is it? Prime time over there, isn't it? Connor, you want some LTC, man? All right, dude. Don't listen. Do this loud. Sorry. Still loud. I think we're better now, at least. Give me a sec, man. Give me a sec. Okay. So, Vechain. Alright, we're looking at Vechain now. Just kind of range-bound chain. Okay. You got a range bound from 102 sats to 127 sats, right? Look how we perfectly touched it and then we dumped. All right, we went from 127 sats, and now we're currently sitting on 113 sats with that low of like 110 sats. Right, so I don't know, the best way to be looking at this is just if you're long, you're wanting to wait for 102. Like if you're range bound, a swing trader would wait for the bottom of the range to take a long entry, to take a potential shot with a relatively conservative or liberal stop, whatever you want to do. That's it, man. Okay, so being range bound, buying right in the middle is literally flipping a coin. It could run up before dumping again, or it could dump before running again, or it could dump and then dump more, right? So we just have to be patient and wait. Okay, Vechain's not in a position of an entry, I don't believe. Okay, I mean, like, give me a reason why you think it might be an area of entry. I mean, look, you know, from a low to the same low, you have a little bit of bullish divergence, but it's not really manifesting into anything prominent right now. Okay, support resistance, I don't even know. Where are we holding support? Okay, it looks like we're trying to hold some. Oh my goodness, man! Do y'all see this complexity? This is weird, man. Now, I don't think this is real, but look, man, just we're creating some symmetry. Okay, shoulder, double head, right shoulder potentially. Huh. This could be some form of complex inverse head and shoulder, double head and shoulders. I mean, look, man, whether it's right or wrong, doesn't matter. The symmetry is so nice, man. Okay, neckline is going to be 127 sats. This is interesting. Wow. So whether you want to believe this thing could be Kang's or not, that's fine. But there is some support we're holding at 110 sats with a little divergence. But we're not doing anything right now, are we? That's pretty nice looking, isn't it? Very symmetrical. And remember the thing that we did, right? The thing that we've been selling off like since inception, right? Since inception, man. In late July, we're at 340 sats, currently at 113. I mean, we had the rising wedge after the huge rally, and we dumped tremendously. Ever since this rising wedge, man, we've lost like all our value. Okay. And what did we do recently? Anchor point 1 and 2 and 3, and then just 1 on the bottom with heartline support. Beautiful heartline support. We broke it. We broke it, and now we're forming some sort of symmetrical pattern, showing some nice supports from November 25th and now, right? So Momo shift potentially, right? The big Momo shift. Let's see what we can do here, man. Higher lows for now. Let's see what happens. All right. Wow. I am interested. I am intrigued by this price action, despite anything you want to believe about a pattern or not. It looks very, very cool. All right. Very cool. Anyway. Sweet. So I'm going to keep going through some chat because You haven't heard that Super Mario tune for a long time. Who knew? Brings back childhood memories. Boom. Awesome, dude. Well, I'm glad I was able to bring back some nostalgia for you. Hopefully it makes you happy, not sad. Awesome. Whew. Probably mine, if I ever leverage trade, it'd never be over 10%. Or 10 times, excuse me. Okay, so anything above that I think is extremely scary. And 10 times is very scary too, but you should really know what you're doing. Know your stops. Know your liquidation price. Alright. But yeah, man, and that's extreme. That's like not something I normally do at 10 times. Okay, 5 times is a good comfortable number for me. Normally good like 50%, man, or 50 times, man, or 75 times, man. Alright, bring on the scrub from last night. Hey, don't do that, man. Don't do that. Don't even know what kappa means, alright? If you don't know what kappa means, why don't you learn it? All you have to do is Google what does kappa mean, okay? It is also, it's a Japanese monster, evidently, but it's also something else, okay? What's up, Wab Jello, man? Sad girl. What you talking about? What are y'all talking about? Let's see, man. Oh wow, we got like 24 more likes. 24 more likes. It's only a million years away. The Eyes of the World by Grateful Dead. It's a great song, John Lawler, man. Excellent ear. Okay. A little Fibonacci chat. The 0.23, the 0.58, and the golden retrace is 888. I love it, man. We could be kings. We could be kings, man. We could change the game, Jeff. Probesman. Holy crap, dude. Sorry, oops. Just turn that off. Oh, hey, it's my face now. Long Gone Cougars, zombie men. Of course, rolling. Yeah. You would 50-time leverage a cougar hunter live stream? Be careful, man. Hopefully you got what I said, rolling. Okay. Chris Hansen got arrested for bounce checks. Is that fraud, though? How do you get arrested for bounce checks unless it's like literally, you know, your intent to defraud somebody, right? I don't know. How do you bounce checks, man? What? I guess he's been struggling. Jeez, dude. All right, hold on a sec. Give me this beer. I need to turn on the BRB screen. I've not utilized this but one time. Okay, so it's definitely worth it. Hold on. If you don't enjoy music like this, you should get an examination done, because this is insanely good. Like, I die for this kind of music, man. I love the jam. Okay, that guitar. So good, man. Gets me in the feels every time, alright? Like, if I was on a desert island, it's like, you can only listen to a certain amount of music, or a certain kind. It's like, that jam band guitar, dude. No vocals, just straight instrumentals like this. I could listen to it the rest of my life, dude. Alright, I'd be okay. Sorry, I'm getting through chat. Next one. Let's go to Sony, dude. Why not? It's not look too good, man. Not looking too good, alright. So a couple days ago, dumpster earnings. Weekly chart. Woof. Not good, man. Not too good. Looks like a critical area of resistance we could not break, right? Back from March 2002, April 2007, and now September 2018. Failed all 3 times, alright? Not good, man. Big overhead resistance. If you could break that, it would be smooth sailing to the upside. There's no resistance above this area, but hey, man. So, alright, so what does that mean? That means a good chance. good chance if we could hold up, we could start making higher lows. We could test some sort of support down here at like 43.15 or 37.44. Sorry. Kind of loud, sorry. Dang, man. It's easier with other genres to get the decibels because sometimes you get that pop and it like goes way too high. So anyway, it seems like we had an upsloping channel and then we broke the upside. We legged up. Okay, understandable. It's kind of like this, right? And the leg up happened. Right, we had it like that, then boom, see ya, right? So we do like this. If we had it like the channel, right? So touch point. Wow. There you go, man. All right. So that's pretty nice right there too. Get perfect touch points. Wow, okay. So 1 and 2 and 3. Let's go with this. See how this goes. Oh, wow. Look at the touch points on that, man. Your anchor point 1 back here, May 2013. Anchor point 2, February 2016. Anchor point 3, January 2017. Look at this, man. Look at the 75% touch point. 75% touch point. 25% touch point. Heartline touches. Not as many times with this new touch point, but this makes a lot of sense, okay? But the biggest thing you should take from this, I think, is Sony is at a critical area of support, man. If you cannot hold, like, you're very close to breaking out of a trend that extends back to 2013, okay, on Sony. And I think inside of this channel, you had a leg up, right? Right, you had a channel like this, kind of. So what happens when you get more and more buyers, institutions getting in on these things? They the accumulation ascent angle goes up. It goes from like a 30-degree angle, 45-degree angle to a 50-degree angle, 60-degree angle on the way up, man. You see that all the time. We've been seeing it all. 2016, February 2016, the whole stock market started legging up. That's what we call it when that angle of ascent changes. It becomes a different angle, a higher degreed angle. Okay, so we got that. We've broken out of it. But here we are. Here we are, man. So let's make this only visible on the weekly. This is only visible. I guess we'll do it on the weekly as well. Alright, so when we go to the daily, we'll have a clean slate. So we know we're in some sort of uptrend, right? We've been in an uptrend since 2013, right? Yeah. On Sony. So that critical area of support, it seems like we're just barely holding it, right? I'm talking about this one back here. Oh, it's not this one, it's the next one, right? Yeah, right there. Huh. Okay. You want to talk about an insane, how would we angle this, man? Ascending, broadening wedge. Jeez, man. You can talk about a target of an ascending, broadening wedge. Where did it begin? It began down here, okay? That'd be a long fall, wouldn't it? You would need the macro to completely get devastated for Sony to hit that target, okay? And I don't know that's gonna happen, man. You just know for now we're at December 2016 support. All right. What's going on the daily? We got a little bit of divergence, maybe. We definitely have a channel going on, don't we? Oh, beautiful, dude. Beautiful little downsloping channel. Critical supports, look left. Man, if this doesn't hold, we got a gap fill all the way back to 38.87 we could hit. That's all the way back from November of 2017. Good God, man, you better be careful. You better be careful on this gap fill. Gap fill, then we have support. So your orange gold is 38.93 gap fill, and then your horizontal line support is at 41.54. You're holding one right now, really. Okay, 45.93. But dude, that's not good. Not good at all. All right, you hit this down sloping resistance, and you failed tremendously. Huge amount of volume, highest amount of volume we've seen technically since. And we're going to have to go back, man. Are we? Yeah, these are high levels of volume, man. We got close to that amount of volume, but literally, technically, we hadn't seen this much volume since 2015, February 2015. Okay, so better set up an alert. 44.88. On Sony, man. Very, very scary stuff going on. Okay. Man, I just bought one of their TVs, man, so that should have propped the price up for a little bit, but, you know, I can't do it by myself, chat. So, a lot of things to talk about. I mean, we've had a lot of things we've talked about on Sony, alright? That's it. Anyway, so thanks to the 103 people still here. Really appreciate that. Good. Just trying to catch up on chat now. Get wrecked, John Lar. Exactly, dude. Does anyone figure out what this... Alright, look at my magnifier right now. What is that on Windows? Someone tell me how to get rid of that crap. Now. Someone tell me. Please, help me. Get rid of that crap. For the sake of everybody. Can't see my price. Oh my god. Dang it, dude. I don't know why I did that. I had it set up. There you go, dude. Sorry, pros, but I didn't think about it. My bad, dude. There's your prices. God, then I'll stream like that. My bad. A billion different steps in streaming. I guess when you get to the complexity of what I'm doing. Alright. Why all the static on the screen? Brent Jaggers is 80s week, dude. 80s. Mr. Kanatomo loves eggplants. Oh my god. I feel so good! Holy crap. Sorry. That was loud. Phil caught the XMR. Awesome, dude. Alright, I'm scrolling a little faster. Okay. Try to get to the end of the line. With love, got that PC looking good. Thanks, Mr. Chapman, man. Thanks, dude. What's up, Rune Slayer, dude? What's up, Renee? Marie? Cough Crypto, not Coffee Crypto. I look good in 4K, man. Am I in 4K? I don't think I'm set up to that way. I think I have to have Viber to be able to stream 4K, man. Alright. I know my webcam supports it, but I think I'm only doing it 1080. Okay, I think I caught up. Oh my god, man. Guess we can get a Bitcoin since it's time for your local on the 8s. Bitcoin. Here's your 4-hour chart, man. Back to the Harmonic, back to the Gartley. The Gartley, the people are like, I've seen that, I don't care, man. I don't care. What's up, Mobius, dude? I'm doing well. Who's shilling a coin Vic at night, man? Stuart, I remember that. Some guy claimed his wife said, it is Tron or me, and he chose Tron. I remembered it. I don't know who it was. It's famous, but not famous, right? At the same time. What's up, Gaming Crypto? I'm like 1080, or I am 1080, Joseph Man. Several months ago, dude. I figured it would be back in the Great FOMO, Stuart, man. The Ocho. Hey, I can't wait till next month. March 8th will be 80s Day. Think about having your local on the 8th during 80s night. Okay, how nuts will that be? Alright, so we're going to do this once a month, 80s, once the week's over, which is tomorrow. I think we're going to do one more day of this, and then we're going to switch back to the normal overlays. And that'll be it. That will be it, man. Alright. Awesome, Rune Slayer, man. Excellent, dude. 786. It's not me. It's not me having it as the reversal zone. I've studied these harmonics, and it's evidently the harmonics, man. Okay, it's them that are dictating, that are saying this is the reversal zone. Okay. He said he was in the TRX doghouse. Is that like the... Is that the posse? It's like the Tron Connect posse, man, or something. Tron Close, IRL. Oh, we could probably get that made if you want, dude. Sorry, I don't know. Oh, look, man, I'm looking at Bitcoin. And we're just waiting now, okay? It's like swing trading. It's not... Hey, FZ Fool, man, thanks for the 58.9% of 1XRP. I appreciate that, man. That's passive-aggressive 589 talk. Thanks, dude. What's up, 1G Project, dude? What's up, Chaz, dude? Good to see you. Alright, I don't even know what's going on right now. Alright. So, truly want to see some real Litecoin, we can go to it, okay? There it is, man. There's your Litecoin in log scale. The only way to do this. Look where we are. We pumped up to $34 plus. We right at that critical area of resistance, right? The critical area. All right, you want to be kings? I got an alert set up at 35 and change. Okay, so if we break that, man, could have a really nice thing going. But you got to break it. Where's the volume? Got to get some stupid volume. We don't get any of that anywhere. Okay, so we're just waiting now. Just waiting. All right, on Litecoin. Very close. Litecoin made us a lot of money. Did it not on that right shoulder? Yes, it did. Justin, son of a president. Seven more likes, Julia? Are you kidding me, dude? Single life isn't bad, yeah. Single for like a year. So, anyway, there you guys. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Waiting for 35. Very close to a critical breakout on log scale. Going back to $420. That's the all-time high. You know, multiple touch points after that, and we're very close to it, okay? So, Bitcoin can reverse. Maybe Litecoin can do something, okay? We're waiting, man. We're waiting. And until then, we drink. Especially on the weekend. Oh, hey, thanks for the 100 likes, y'all. Holy crap, man. Fireworks? What? It's freezing, dude. Hold on. $27.40. So why 27.40 exactly, right? Why not? I guess I see a resistance over here. May. But yeah, that 886, 27.40, 27.47 seems good. But dude, look where we are now, man. We're at that 200 moving average on the 4 hour. Okay, look at this, man. Look at this, man. The divergence we're seeing. I get it. There's no real swing on. Look, man. It's like every single time you're making higher highs, your positive momentum is dwindling tremendously. This is exactly what happens at the beginning of bear trends, right? You get this, like the volatility's still there. All right, we're still rallying. They're still good, but dude, I'm telling you, I'm still skeptical. I still am skeptical of this run, man. This rally's been going on since the 26th of December. All right, so over a month now, we've just been making green candles, no pullbacks, not really, just been straight up. The best January we've seen since 1987, closed to book it. All right, and here we are at the 786 and the 200 moving average on a 4-hour time scale. The 886 is a confluence area, because if you go from your major swing high to swing low, we have ourselves the 618, the golden retrace from that major high from October. So, Runeslayer, man, yeah, dude, these are areas where We very well could have a sharp reversal to the downside because the prevailing trend in the short term right now is the lower highs, lower lows, right? That's what's going on the spider or the SPX, whatever you want to say. Okay. Crazy divergence going on the 4-hour. Sweet. All right, cool. So I can go to daily now. It's not gonna mess up. Volume's all janked up. I don't know. Huge break, man. Huge break. The downsloping resistance, which is the descending broadening wedge. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you, the partial decline, it played out Bulkowski, baby. This was actually our example that we posted for the patrons. It was also in the live stream if you missed it. Look, man, if you want education, okay, there's over $100 worth of education, trade setups, all that stuff in our Patreon. If you want to help support this stream and make sure I show up multiple times a day, 7 days a week, there it is, patreon.com/LordRay. If you want to learn some stuff, you want some trade setups, you want some Discord exclusivity, and you want the education I give on live stream to be clipped and handed to you on a silver platter, you can do that, man. So check it out. Definitely worth it, okay? As long as you want to invest in yourself. If you want to invest in yourself, it's worth it. If not, you just want everything handed to you, you don't want to learn anything, probably not for you, right? So sorry, y'all. Reading chat. Fireworks for Side Girl. That's right. Hi, Residence. You like the video from earlier, man? Thanks, dude. Yeah, I need to just do that more often, right? The key is learning when to keep your mouth shut with your wife, Stuart, man. Sage advice, it sounds like. Oh, a double bottom measurement. Gotcha, dude. So this bear trend set a new record as the longest game in crypto. Yeah, man, I read that. 411 days going on. We're at 412 now. I guess 413, pretty much. 413 days in this correction or bear trend. Yeah, man, whatever. That's scary. Have a good one, dude. Lose a piece of clothing for every red candle? Sure, Greg, man. Sure, dude. If you want. I got you, Rune Slayer, man. Do I drink my coffee black, P. Miller, man? No, not really. I normally have some half and half for heavy whipping cream in it, just a little bit. Yeah, I drink my tea black though. But you know, that's just preferential. I've had Irwin coffee black and it's exceptional. So. Something about the spider is the 200-day moving average is confluent with the 886 and the 618. So 2740, 2743, Rune Slayer, man, that is an exceptional area of low risk for some sort of short. Yeah, certainly is. Okay, dude. It's based on the charts, man. Still by Dan Styles, man. Alright, well. I guess that's it, y'all. I guess I'll just be back tomorrow or something. I appreciate y'all coming by and doing some charts with me. I appreciate it a lot. And yeah, I'll just be back. So thanks for the likes, the love, support, contributions. Zombie, Tua Tagovailoa, Trevor Lawrence, F. the Brady and the Pats, your Kanji Jellyfish, Tom Brady, Captain Encino, Santa Claus, Professor Corbin, Phil again, man, Beeswaxer, Stevie Ray, Bitcorn, Alabama Slam. I thank y'all so much. I really appreciate y'all. Much love. It means everything. So I will be back tomorrow. There's Princess Riley. So until next time, respect, T.A. Dude, are you kidding me, Ramon, man? Fake out. I guess that just bought me for a little while. Okay, I'm gonna finish this and probably drink another one. Cause good job, Rimlog. Look what you've done, man. Okay, dude, are you serious, man? Thanks, man. I appreciate it, and wow, that's
awesome.
That's humbling, dude. Okay, I don't know what to tell you, dude. I love you, man, and thanks again, dude, for the ongoing love and support. Look at Remo. What is that? Say E? Are you Ian?
E? What's E?
Are you Ian? No, I'm Pablo. So, Pablo Francisco. Wow. Holy crap, man. Dude, thanks, Remo, man, for the 5-0 Kangs contribution. Holy crap. Cheers, brother. Oh, my God. Or I should make the beer chug like a 3% for like anything above 25, right? Every variation, I'm just like, it's 3%, no matter what the tip is, above 25. That seems like reasonable, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so then there's like a higher percentage, if anyone does. That means like probes could, if he's tipping or something, like, you know, it doesn't want to be 25, it could be something else, like whatever, yeah. But like right there, so it could have been it, but dang, man. Holy crap, man. You have 1 hour to kill before you get your rim log on? What? Good God, man. What is it, Stuart, man? Take a bow, and thanks for telling you will see that nice woman who wants to see you. Oh, yeah, I'll see her. I'll see her, Stuart, like this. Oh, it feels so good! Not really. But, you know. We're cool, man. We're cool. We're hip. You get it, Stuart, man. You don't have to visualize. Alright, man. Don't be gross. Dang, dude. Renslayer, you can see it, dude. You can see it literally on recent, right? What? What is this? Dude, it's all bugged out, dude. To Top Jesus is bugged out every time on Stream Elements. Yeah, dude. No, because, like, it says it, right? It says it, and then, like, it changes when I go live. or something, and I don't even notice until like 2 hours into the stream or an hour into the stream. It's like annoying. It's like, well, Rimlock, looks like you're the top Jesus for now. All right, whatever. Oh my God. I don't even know how it works, man. How the top Jesus is set right now, the variation. I have no idea. Okay. Go anyone but the Pat, Stuart, man? Yeah, dude. I guess so. Right. You gonna pull up your chair and hang out with me?
Yeah, I kind of need a refill.
Okay, I'll go
I'll
refill.
go do that.
Okay, go refill. Me too. Rimog, man. This is not even the one that's for you, dude. The next one's for you, okay? Thanks, dude. Seriously. God. Probes talking about EA reporting earnings on Tuesday. Oh god, man. I can get this audio set. Oh my god. This is a little loud, but I don't know, man. I don't know what to do. So yeah, man, reporting earnings. We had a nasty impulse down, an impulse that went from July to freaking December, late December. We broke the downsloping channel. I don't know, everything got broken. It's all scuffed now because of the stupid log scale. I don't know, messed it up. We broke out, not really doing anything. The volume's mediocre. Nice spike in positive momentum, but we never got over bought or anything. And here it is, leading up to earnings. What could happen, man? February 5th, man, 3 days. So, God, I'll start with the rising wedge. Jeez. But honestly, man, I think to some degree we had a rising wedge anyway, like a much larger one like Activision's. But we held support. We found support down in December 2016. And resistance October 2015, August 2015. That's where we held and we bounced, okay? And we were showing daily bullish efforts all the way down until we actually got there. Look, you could even say it would pull it out more. Look at that. Holy crap. Excuse me, burping. My god. Holy crap. So, like, overwhelming bullish average. We actually ended up getting some on the back end probes, man. Right here, too, right? Yep. Remember, that's what happens on the oscillators. Something I've learned. Something I've learned about the oscillators. You can get MACD bullish divergence all the way down. You keep on selling off, and then on the back end, when you'll eventually start making RSI bullish divergence, then all of a sudden, like, both your oscillators start showing that divergence together. When at the time it didn't, right? You were here, you didn't have any RSI bullish divergence, but then we got here, we were then showing divergence, and that's what you're really looking for. Those are like the gold mines, man, of the oscillators and the divergence. That's what you want the most. Class A bullish divergence on both oscillators on a daily freaking time scale. Okay, so EA, man. What's going to happen? Will we come down to double bottom at $76? Holy crap, dude. All we know, probes, is from near high to low, we're at a 23% reach rate. That's literally it. We can't break it because we're being scrubs right now on mediocre volume. Ugh. Disgusting. Disgusting, dude. Okay? Whatever, man. Jeez. Dude, jeez. Sorry. And off. Okay. This is rim logs. Be right here. Cheers. Matt, you want the princesses? Okay, well, here she is. The princess is here, man.
Hola.
How was stream? What are you doing over there?
I'm really mad about Crash Bandicoot.
Why? What's wrong with Crash
Because
Bandicoot?
my controller won't work with it. I want to refund it and just buy it on PS4 because I'm never gonna enjoy the game without being able to play controller.
So you can't play a PC game with
it gives me the option for controller, controller.
But it's not like
controls, but
PlayStation?
it's not connect. Yeah, it's I would need to buy an Xbox.
It's super
controller.
scuffed.
I think so.
Well, then refund it and get the
I don't know
PlayStation.
if I can though. Is that I don't know. I have to look into it.
Dude, it's life. We live in the virtual age. Yeah, I just bought it. I'm not happy. Send it back.
It's an awesome game, and I would love to play it, but
Crash Bandicoot.
I can't enjoy it because I die every 5 seconds.
I remember that back in PS1, dude. Was it Dr. Cortez?
Cortex, I think.
Cortex, yeah. I was thinking about Cortez.
Yeah.
Cortez the Killer, Widespread Panic song, but also, well, who was he talking about? We got the Cortez who came in and, destroyed all the Native Americans and stuff. I think he was, Cortez was he was a crusader for Mexico, the Aztecs and stuff. He was just a conquistador, right? He conquered the natives, and it was very, very, brutal about it. So that's that's not Doctor, but that's Cortez, right? But anyway, Cortex, sorry.
It's a good game. It's fun.
Yeah, good game.
My favorite one is the tiger, where you're the girl and you're riding the tigers in China, the Great Wall. That was always my favorite.
I remember that.
I
remember that, dude. But I thought you had to progress through the game to get to that point. Yeah.
And I can't progress.
How are the graphics?
Good. Really good.
It's gonna change when you switch back to PS4. Oh, shots fired. Yeah, but not really. What's the newest Ripple FOMO? Is Amazon? Oh. Dan Styles got catfished. Oh, nice music so loud. Fire on the mountain, dude. Yeah, Dan Styles got catfished and he stayed with her anyway. Wow.
Damn.
Good man. Rimlong, you bought EA at 91. Well, we're at 91 right now, dude. So you're screwed, but
you
not.
made 22 cents.
Yeah, 22-cent Kang, dude. You did it, man. You did it. Okay, my restream's freezing right now. So EA is supposed to beat EPS. Question is, will they let Star Wars Worlds on their guidance call again and dump? Yeah, probably, Jeff, man. They probably will. His honeymoon period's over at EA. Well, no, wait. Dude, he's not even at EA anymore. Why would they let him on the conference call? He works in Activision now. And you see what happened to Activision when Star Wars Worlds started there, Probes, man. What happened to Activision when Star Wars Worlds started? Dude? Tell me. Tell me. I demand it. Mr. Black Hat, though, what would happen, dude? What are you talking about? You would drink, dude. Would you post evidence of you drinking in Community IRL? Oh my God, Mr. Schaffer. Ooh.
What is this?
These pictures are small. Dude, these are pictures, dude. Mr. Schaffer, man, these pictures are too small, man. I can't see them, man.
It's it says the video, too. It won't play.
Yeah, it's showing it's a video, but it's not. It's a still shot.
Say open original. Yeah, click that.
Okay, we'll click somewhere it's not.
No.
It's a pic, yeah. Mr. Schaffer, man, if you want, dude, we can play that video if you got it. Or if you can give me a bigger file size for those PC specs, man. XRP, yeah, dude. Oof. I don't know, man. Rimlog on that XRP to the US dollar tether, that first touch point on the top trend line of the ascending broadening wedge, potential ascending broadening wedge, it looks pretty erroneous. It doesn't look very good, okay? It just looks like random. Alright, so I just don't know, man. Okay. Bearish inception patterns. Yeah, lots of bearish patterns. It looks like now Bitcoin's looking pretty okay.
We're talking about Crash Bandicoot, by the way.
Crash Bandicoot. Where, Beatmaster, where's your video of you taking a sip or drinking, man? Okay, for evidence. Because you did say if people tip me, you would drink, and people have tipped me tonight, so kind of expecting follow-through on that, okay? Or a follow-up, all right, man? Just saying, dude. It was your word, dude.
Who was supposed to drink?
Prodigal.
Oh.
Or Black Cat. He has many aliases, right? EA Games. Dude, I saw my friend send me snaps of the game Anthem, and I was like, why did they not just make a Boba Fett game? A Star Wars Boba Fett game? And my friend didn't have any answers for me on that.
They've been working on that game for a really long time, though.
They should have just called it Boba Fett and then, like, made a Star Wars. And that'd be it. And people would go nuts over it. People are obsessed with Boba Fett.
Really?
Oh, yeah, dude. It's like subculture thing. All right. What's up, J-Togs, man? You like the good music, man? Thanks, dude. Crash Bandicoot was difficult. Rimlog, man? Yeah, dude, it was.
It was so difficult. I even, like, did the time achievements and everything on every level when I was a kid.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. Oh, my footage is, man.
I see that.
Cortez the Killer. Was that originally Widespread Panic or Neil Young? Probably Neil Young. Rimlog, probably Neil Young. Spanish Conquistador. Yes, man. Brutal is the right word? Yeah, dude. Cortez killed so many natives and turned them against each other. Yeah, dude, he was nuts, man. But people would say he's a victim of his time, whatever. Well, yeah, whatever it is. Okay, justification. Thanks, Black Cat, man. But where are your beers? Why are you not drinking, dude? And why is there no evidence of you drinking, okay?
What time's the Super Bowl tomorrow?
Yeah, what time is the Super Bowl tomorrow, chat? I mean, we could Google it, but
yeah.
why not just let chat tell us?
In Fortnite right now, they have Super Bowl themed matches.
That's what someone's saying. They said I should get on Fortnite because there's football skins. I'm like, oh, okay. And that's when I did last night. I was like, okay. All right. Okay. Just downloading the patch now.
Like, I played like a match and I hated life and I quit.
Really?
Yeah.
You still like it?
I mean, I really like disco. Okay, can we just have disco back?
Did they get rid of it?
Yeah, it was just like they rotate side modes out. Like they have this typical solo squad, whatever.
Yeah.
Duos, but anyways.
Oh, this play thing is definitely missing. Sucks, right? Should I get rid of the play?
Who said that?
Me.
Get out of here.
I understand. Okay, Renslayer, whatever. Tomato for $30. Okay, that's good. That's a zone of entry. Okay, there's no perfect answer on zones, right? Mama's at home on a road trip right now. Beatmaster, Black Hat Man, uh-oh. Why is it when you do an equidistant channel, it makes you do the heartline first? You might not be doing an equidistant channel. You might be doing a pitchfork, which, that's weird, dude. Yeah, you're doing a pitchfork, I think. Don't use the pitchfork, okay?
They said 6:30 Eastern.
6:30 Eastern, 5:30.
5:30 here. God.
Yeah, 6:30 your time. Interesting on Repel, man. It could happen, dude. It could happen. But we already have hit that support now the second time, right? You know, December 15th and now this. And if we hit it again, man, that'd be crazy, right? Might have hit that target. I don't know. Yeah, a little bit, Remlaw, man, yeah. Totally. Certainly. Okay. Below those SAR lines, SAR dots, whatever. Remember to make sure, Dan Styles, you're using the fib channel tool, and we manipulate it with the, you have a 100%, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, and then 0, whatever, 0, 1. You get it right. 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, 100, right? Or 1.00. I'm a man of my word, sir. Okay, Black Cat will be looking forward to sharing it on this stream. All right. Got to incognito this S. All right, man. Lando, did I see your message? Yeah, we were literally talking about you saving the entire galaxy or helping aid the rebels in Star Wars Episode 6, man. We reveled your name, dude. You were also a bandit in the earlier days, but you changed a new leaf, okay, to help the rebels. Thanks, dude. Congrats, though, on all your success. All right. You and that guy who, like, kind of speaks Spanish. He's like a Spanish guy, but he's an alien. Remember him? Who's got, like, saliva all over his face. Whatever.
Who are you talking about?
I'm talking about Lando Calrissian, and in Episode 6 of, Return of the Jedi.
Oh, Lando?
Remember his wingman? It was like the guy who like spoke Spanish, but alien Spanish, and he had like slobber all over his face. Hold on. I'll show you.
Did you know they're making a Lando movie?
Oh my god, maybe. Of course.
Come on.
Dude.
Star Wars for life. Doesn't matter what the story is. I hate when people talk crap about the new Star Wars. Like, get over it. We're Star Wars fans. It doesn't matter. The movie's good or bad.
This guy.
Yeah. No, he's Chinese. He looks Chinese.
No, dude, he's super Spanish. Dude, his, like, the accent, everything's all Spanish. Like y'all were talking about this guy. This guy.
Totally looks Chinese.
Yeah. Did you give this guy a promotion?
I think it's the hat, you know? Did
you give him promotion, Lando? Because if you didn't, we're going to have some issues, okay, man? It's a PNG, though. We could make this Kings. All right. Be hilarious. Yeah. Don't screw it up, Lando. Anyway. What happened to Seth? Is he around? No, we haven't seen Seth in about 3 weeks now. It's okay, though. He's a busy guy.
Yeah, he just gets busy. That happens.
Yeah, he's like,
Like, we're just happy he comes around, right?
Yeah, we're just happy, like, he acknowledges that we exist. That's flattering and honoring, okay? So,
Seth's a cool guy, though. I really like him.
Very cool guy. Like, he's like, down to earth.
Yeah, he's
like,
just like a normal person.
Yeah, you wouldn't even know, like,
Yeah. He's a cool guy.
Yeah. Who does he like? Who does Seth like in the Super Bowl? I don't know, man. Oh, he definitely doesn't like... He wants the Patriots to lose.
Yeah, so he's probably going to go for the Rams.
But he thinks the Patriots probably would win. So
for sure.
He wouldn't take a gentleman's bet with me when we were streaming or whatever.
Patriots, it's like... I feel like they have like a 90% chance of winning.
We're going with the Bears pat pattern, okay?
Bears pat pattern?
Yeah, it's the Bears bat pattern, but it's in my book.
Oh.
It's
I thought you said pat pattern like Patriots.
I did.
Oh.
Look, it's they messed up. Look, Bears pat. It's a Bears bat pattern.
Oh.
They misspelled it both times. So we're going with the Rams because of that. Yeah.
No, Patriots winning.
Okay, you think the Patriots will win? All right. We'll see. Cortez, yeah, I figured. So, Canatoma, man, figured it. Sorry, I just heard them sing it many times, cover it. $17.92 bourbon. Oh, Doug, man. Doug Reeves, Lando. Excellent, dude. Drink it well. All right, it's aged pretty well. Oh, excuse me, my burps, man. 5:30 p.m. Greenbow, Alabama. What's so funny?
Alabama's not that country, y'all.
I know, but they say I'm from Greenbow, which is a fictional.
I know. It's from Forrest Gump.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god.
Dude, that was like my favorite movie growing up for a really long time. I've probably seen Forrest Gump at least 20 times. At least.
Yeah, me too. It's been a long time.
Like back in the day when like VHSs were a thing and you just didn't stream everything, like you watched movies like over and over again. But you don't do that now. It's like you watch it once, you're done, right? But growing up, I used to spam movies hardcore. Like I would watch it until I remembered it, like all the lines, you know?
Yeah.
But people don't do that nowadays. Like I can't remember the last time I watched a movie more than once.
Yeah.
Maybe Solo, because I was like forced to watch that more than once.
You were forced.
Because everybody
your
wanted
will.
to watch it, you know? But that's it.
Stuart says I should make pot stock videos and I would get more views.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, probably, man. Probably, dude.
Because once like weed's legalized in America, like all the way, like those will probably skyrocket, right?
They're skyrocketing preemptively, it seems. It's the crypto of 2019.
But you know,
2018.
like it's just a potential really great market.
Lando Caparizian, Bradford, exactly, dude. Chronos Group, yeah, dude. Things, yeah, there you go, man. That's a nice sexual ascending, broadening wedge.
Yes.
Great area for a short probably, Rimla. Probably, dude. I mean, you see it right there, but dude, be careful with the bull. The bull can destroy you, man. Thing is absurd, dude. Hey, but here's the thing, man. You got reason to believe, okay, from your high to low, you got your 1618. Beast that man. I don't.
I didn't
Wait,
know you
hold
put the
on.
jar back for the
I
beats.
did. The biddies, yeah. Here, I'm opening up Lumia. There it is. All right, it's on now. We're good. Damn, man. B-size for you. Anyone else who cares? No one else is on Twitch. I think you're the only viewer on Twitch probably right now. I can almost guarantee it. Anyway, Rimlog posted chart. Get rid of that equidistant channel, man. Make it less, whatever. Party lights, man. Party lights. Yeah.
One with the diabetes.
Yeah, dude, I forgot to turn that off. That's where your face is. Hold on. Look at that. Party lights. IRL stream. Cheers.
How do you get party lights? You do exclamation party?
He does. He hosts me, and hosting's like a follow. Those out. Like I don't know the way the variation is set up. I could probably set it up anytime somebody tips a bit. They could do party lights. I just have to become learned. I have to become learned. All right, have to learn whatever. Yeah, be educated. We're gonna call it. Welcome to my office. The offices.
Yeah.
Of Mitre. Welcome.
The great office. Oh, party lights.
What's the purple lights, right? Thanks to the 28 biddies, B// man, kings. I actually have an overlay set up on this one, so I don't have to worry about switching overlays like I do with the other one. So, it's perfect, man.
Your PC looks really good.
What happened to the Viking hat? You know, there it is, Lando. What say you, man? What say you? Where's your Viking hat, man? That's what I thought. Come at me, bro. Anyway. What?
What?
In the... I got you. Get wrecked. I kind of want to play that one song.
Play that one song.
Yeah, I do. This one, remember?
Ooh, that's a good song.
Yeah, I love it. We're going to play it anyway, alright? Are you going to wear the Viking hat?
I'm gonna try it on.
Okay, she's going to wear the Viking hat. She's going to be the Viking princess, which you've all wanted, you've all been waiting for. You want to talk about some 80s?
Yeah, this is my favorite song.
Right? It's like the best synthwave song ever. It's like pretty new, dude. It came out January 24th by Prime Tantos.
Here we go. Ooh. No. Okay.
Viking princess, you want to get the cape? It's in the closet. Maybe I should be the wizard, then we could be Viking wizard. It's great.
Your house is low key.
Low key, stink
So-
bugs. Yeah, I know, it's stupid. They go in hibernation up in the attic and then they wake up accidentally and then they infiltrate.
Ah.
Oh yeah, good luck.
Ooh, you guys.
This is a first.
I think I'm amazing. I don't know what you all think, but I think I'm amazing right now. Okay. Oh. Guys, I think I was meant to be a Viking princess.
What you say? In the 80s.
Oh yeah. I'm an 80s Viking princess.
That sounds good. Winlando King, Logan. Winlando, man. Wolf of Worcester, what's up, dude? He says Birdie is a goat, the goat. Alright.
Greatest of all time. You know, I had to like Google that.
What goat?
Because I'm not up to date with these lingos, and people troll me easily if I'm not aware. And I thought goat was like a bad thing, but it's not. It's good.
Changing the alert box down here, like, tough to see, like right there. I just moved it. I need to make the font bigger too on Streamlabs for those.
I think I'm gonna wear this more often.
What?
This cape.
Feel free.
It's kind of comfy.
Yeah, it's really warm.
Like it's like perfect, so it's not like, you know, it's
No,
like you're not like too hot, but you're
good
not
luck doing
too
Viking night in the summer. It's death. It's like
comfy.
yeah, it's crazy.
Now I need like Viking braids to go along with this.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Have you seen the show Viking?
What is? No, I have not.
You never watched that?
Rinslayer says he's a chartist in the Cryptalk Discord, and everyone else has the same Bitcoin reversal as my Harmonic layout. We all have different charting styles, so that's really cool. Yeah, Rinslayer absolutely is. So that's good, man. That's great news. Great to see. I think someone would call it a falling wedge where we are too, maybe. All in on Tom Brady saying Hot Atlanta. It's not Tom Brady saying Hot Atlanta. It's just Romo, dude. It's Romo.
Hot Atlanta.
It's Romo.
We should be in Hot Atlanta right now, living it up. It's so close.
I don't know, man. I guess once I get a laptop, I can go anywhere I want, whenever I want, right? So we get that. It's good.
Figure that one out.
Yep. I gotta figure out getting that. It's good. I have to spend $2,000 on a stupid laptop, man, just to travel.
Oh yeah.
It's too loud. It's too loud.
Can I have your most recent chat, because I really think you're kind of behind.
Yeah, sure. There you go. Kron is nuts right now, Ramon. Yeah, it is, dude. Is that a joint? Oh, here we go. Ooh.
Oh man, that looks good.
Here's Mr. Shapper, man. His PC, man. Ooh, that is super sexual, dude.
That's awesome, dude.
Wait, it's not working. Hold on, I gotta go to this one. And then this one. Boom. Here's Mr. Shaffer's PC. The RGB is super duper sexual. Super sexual, man.
Looks good.
Yeah, dude. Very nice. Republica Gamers RGB cooler. Got the 3 fans. Look like you got the 40 millimeter fans. Or not mil. Is it millimeter? Yeah, 40 millimeter fans. Yeah. And that's great, man. Very cool.
Looks good.
I got a little change coming tomorrow on my PC. Very good, man. I got a little change coming tomorrow. Hopefully we can make it work, okay? So there's no issues. But right here, if you look this way, and you see, there's a black fan, the NZXT fan up there. All right, that will change.
Right there.
Yep. What is it? Yeah, that one. It will change. It will become a 40 millimeter. And I'm getting a new radiator, so the one on the right, the RGB fan on the right, will come down, and we'll have matching RGBs on the top, and it will just look so freaking sweet. I'll have 6 RGB fans in the PC, man. Oh my god. Okay. Sorry.
We should just listen to that other song on repeat, because it's so good.
I know, right? We should. We really freaking should. We also can just mess around with this thing too.
What's that?
So I change the lighting on the PC.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah. Here it is. What? Sequential is pretty good, right? Pretty sweet right here.
Hold on.
Yeah, it almost lit right there, dude. Look
The webcam doesn't do it justice. It's like too You should mess with your.
I know I should get one of these for that, right? This one's such a high quality.
It's gonna be wide though, wide angle.
Then I'll have to zoom in more, but then I won't get the top and bottom. But
no, what I was saying is that you should mess with the filter. Like you could probably mess with like the saturation and like the gamma and stuff, brightness. Help it see the color more clearly. Cancel.
Oh, I don't think they can hear. Yeah, they can. Cancel.
Yeah, cancel. Cancel. Right click. Filters. Add. No. Effect filters down. Add down, bottom. Add. And then it's the color key. No, color. Yeah, color correction. That's a great way to remember. Yeah, there you go. Try the
contrast.
Yeah, try the saturation because saturation makes colors brighter. There you go. You're welcome.
Yeah, that's lit, dude.
That's too bright. No. Take the saturation down. It's too much. Too over exaggerated. Right there. Yeah.
Are they good? Yeah.
Yeah, it's better. Now it's like boom, bright. Right? No. Turn the contrast down.
Contrast is good.
Nah. It over exaggerates it. There you go.
No, contrast
right
is
there.
right
Right there.
Perfect. Yeah, this way.
Sorry. Okay.
Alright, we're good. Alright, that's perfect. Yeah. Gangs. This is what's it. This is how it's supposed to look.
You're welcome.
Yeah, no, it makes it look like the way it really is. So
yeah, because cool. Like webcam does dull it out, you know.
Yeah, that's stupid. It's because I'm old school webcam, man. Right.
Yeah.
Anyway, very cool. Very cool, man. Ooh, super sexual water. What?
What is that?
Stellar, man. What is this, dude?
Is that the water cooler? Like the coolant?
I don't know. I can't tell. Yeah, you can see they're clear tubes. I mean, mine is not clear or anything, but we got right here. What? Hold on. Then we got. Let's see. I'm sorry, I'm not used to this yet. I'm not used to it. So go to see the quad on. Boom, there it is. So yeah, this is Stellar's box. It's tower. It's got that liquid cooling, the transparent tubing, 240 millimeter fans, maybe RGB, look like white, but maybe they could change colors, but you can see the water cooling right there. Crazy stuff. Test tube babies. Oh my god, man. Scared to.
Hey Julia, what song are you talking about?
Yulia Guskuski. Yeah.
Like it's like on the tip of my head right now and I can't think of what the title is.
Yeah, Julia, what? What in the butt? Holy crap. Anyway, if you got any cool pictures of your PC, feel free to post them in Community RL anytime. I'll show them on stream. Right? Right. Anyone? Bueller?
Bueller.
It's like I don't even have to like fake it anymore.
Bueller.
This is literally the movie, okay?
Bueller.
All right.
Tonight is Viking night, Lando.
What? It is Viking night?
Mitray doesn't believe in Viking night anymore, so good luck if you see another Viking night.
Yeah, because we have so many like people like will fake buy subs, like I don't even know what people like. It's like it's not even worth it anymore. Like it all died. It's like the days of old when.
But what does that have to do with Viking night?
I don't know. They used to be like for milestones. They were like celebration for where we've come and stuff. And now it's like we don't know where we are. Like we don't know where we are.
Lost.
It's just dumb. It's like whatever, man. Whatever. Anyway.
Well, it's a good costume.
Totally is.
Totally.
We can just go experiment. Right. This is the '80s one. Super '80s right there. You can't really see the bottom part. That sucks though, because if you zoom out, right? If you zoom out too much, you can't see the fan up there. So it's cool because it like runs around the whole PC, the RGB. So, Mr. Anderson, what was that? It's Matrix or something. I can't remember. I don't even know anymore. The Matrix. Mr. Shabba, man, that's the 100 biddies, man. Holy crap, man.
Yay!
That was nuts, dude. Thanks, Mr. Chef, man, for the 100 biddies, dude, on Twitch. Gangs. Gangs. You think that's air you're breathing in now? Yes, I do think that is air. Yeah, man. It's kind of behind on chat. Night riding music, Ramaj, is it night riding? It was super synthwave, right?
I think that they were asking that either when it was my favorite song or the song after that.
Look, screw this Ray guy all about a Viking princess.
Yes!
We're not
Woo!
worthy.
Goal achieved.
We're not worthy.
We'll just kick Mitch out. Say bye.
That's cool.
Just kidding. Okay.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe so, right? No?
Me.
Wrecked. What's up, Rick Cabrera? What's going on, man? I'm trying to do, like, Restream keeps freezing right now. Look, it's like broken. I don't know what's happening right now. We aren't digging this music chat. Come on, dude. All in on Blunt Coin, Greg Morgan, man. Greg Morgan's got 2 mortgages down on Blunt Coin.
Ooh, it's a risky move.
He told me, but he didn't care, man. He's too high to get it, man. All I need is vampire teeth. Then you'd be a Viking vampire. Are those even real? It's like something out of South Park or something, right? You love the Starship, Wobble My Jello? Thanks, man, for the Starship, dude.
The Starship's pretty dope.
What are y'all talking about, Starship?
On the full screen mode?
Oh, you're talking about the PC? Hey, Rimlog's computer, bruh. Alright, here, let's take a look at it, right? I have to kind of go through things to get there.
Is that you, Rimlog? I feel like that's not you.
Maybe when he was young.
Yeah.
Here he is. Is that you, Rimlog, dude? Really? Nuh-uh. Dude, cable management? That's so many cords, man.
I know, why is there so many cords?
Because this looks like it was back in the day. This looks like back
Before
in like
things
2008.
Yeah, look at
or
that
something.
monitor.
Oh yeah, dude. This is like back in like 2004 or
Dude,
something.
I remember when my parents like spent like $2,000 on like a computer, right? And it was at least 100 pounds, and you had dial-up. It was like back in AOL days, and I thought we were so cool because we had a brand new computer back in the way day, and they looked just like that.
Wait, Beastmaster? No, Beatmaster. I keep seeing Beastmaster. It's like
It looks like Beastmaster.
I know, right? Who calls themselves Beatmaster? It's like no one. Everyone calls themselves Beastmaster, not Beatmaster.
Well, I guess if you're good at beats, then that makes sense.
I'm gonna go smoke a cig while this dang thing uploads. You send it to the PC first, so it won't be a scrubby and S. Okay, don't play that S till you get back. All right, Beatmaster, Beastmaster.
Don't play that. Ew.
Oh my god, dude, that burp
What was that?
a burp. I freaking burp, man. Oh my god, dude. That's ridiculous, dude. I rim like, here's your face, dude.
Your side of your face.
Yeah, get it. Oh yeah. Anyway, weird. Wait, but back to full screen.
What? I don't understand.
Cool.
Killers, all these. Yes! Julia, I know that song. Thank you. I'm gonna re-listen to it after this.
Oh my god.
Calm down.
Okay, that's poggers. Feels good, man. Feels bad, man. It's happening. It's everything. Gangs. Planet 13 in Vegas, interesting. The Disney World of pot factories. Yeah, Stuart, man.
Wait, why? I didn't know it was legal in Vegas.
If prostitution is legal in Vegas, you could bet your butt cannabis, marijuana is maybe
Really?
legal. And I don't know, man. I don't
Maybe
think.
like decriminalized?
I actually don't think it is within the actual city of Las Vegas or
But
something.
maybe they just don't like arrest people for it.
I don't know. I saw Ice Poseidon get kicked out of their hotel room because they were
Because of weed?
because of cannabis. Yeah.
Well, maybe it's just like don't ask, don't tell type of thing, or like don't get caught. Or,
Don't live stream it.
Like don't be obvious. Like discreetly do it, and they don't care.
That's called decriminalized, right? I guess. I'm sure it is or something. Automotive Solutions says, dang dude, you're still streaming. Been off and on for the past 2 hours. Love it. We've been live for only 2 hours and 10 minutes. How can you have been?
Well, he probably tuned in, tuned out
Yeah.
within your 2 hours.
Yeah. Totally, man.
I do that sometimes. Or I'll like minimize it because I have red, so I can listen while I'm doing other stuff on my phone.
Yeah, dude. What was the name of the last song? I don't know, man. I don't know. It was called Mr. Serpent is the name of the artist, and it's called Landscape.
Let's go ahead and play it again.
It's called
Yeah,
Landscape.
just go ahead and click it.
You really want to listen to it again?
Yeah, it's a good song.
Or whatever.
Like I said, we should only play this song on repeat.
Okay, I look good for VHS. Thanks, Mr. Shapperman. That's not space stuff. That's like VHS stuff. Okay. All right, Crypto Cotter, have a good one, man. Rookie W got his 30 seconds of fame. Kings. You did it, man. Remember, we don't always get divergence before we dump. Remember that.
It's a good song.
Just keep bugging. Jeff, you want some weed crop reports, man?
I'll BRB.
Alright.
I gotta use the ladies' room.
Okay.
In my Viking cape.
Okay, have fun. Dude, Viking night when Bitcoin hits 5,000 or something, man. You took this shot 5 minutes ago, dude. Well, I've not even gotten it, okay? Not yet, man. Not yet. Dude, it keeps lagging. Or it's like it's just the program of Restream being a scrub, man. Crypto Cracker, what's up, man? I'm a ding dong, man. Randolph and Mortimer Duke getting wrecked after Vechain said our weed crap report. Weed crop. Sorry, man. Whatever, dude. Whatever you say, man. Okay. Changing 500. Our PC is going nuts, man. It's going nuts right now. SLI'd, Gogeta GPUs. Okay. And still lagging on Restream. Remember, if someone subs, you know, Crypto Tower, remember when I used to say someone subbed it? Yeah, you to Jesus, man. You know why? It's like for old time's sake, because no one subs to this channel anymore when I'm live, okay? That's like something that stays sacred. If we get a sub, I'll do it, and you can hear it, but if not, hey man, I'm not going to do it just for old time's sake, okay? That's just a cadence thing, alright?
What is it?
Nothing, it was like, nothing. It's dumb. 5K will be next year. Hey, GBP, man, I got all the time in the world. You gonna be around next year? Maybe so, hopefully. All right. Dang, I'm behind on chat. What's up, Exposed Man? Is that an alien, dude? Space Invader Jet looks like Bitcoin going back and forth between 3450, 3490 on the woman. Yeah, you go to it, man. Back and forth, dude. Weekend Warrior stuff. Have the winch fetch some ale, Taylor Spooner, man. Get wrecked, dude. Called you a winch. I'm sure back in the day that used to be such an insult, man. Such a big insult. Oh my god, man. He called me a winch. I'm offended. They arrest people in Clark County for prostitution and have to go an hour away, so you've heard. Interesting. I thought it was like completely cool. Donnie Darko. What 1G project, man? What you talking about, dude? Everybody sneeze? Sneeze. Just don't sneeze into the mic. We'll all be good. 11/23 Fibonacci Day. Is that Fib Day? This internet connection sucks. Not happy. I'm sorry, Beastmaster, man. I'm sorry, Beastmaster.
Where do you live?
Texas. I believe
What kind of internet you got?
Texas. Oops. tease, man.
We're just family friendly, Beatmaster.
The Winch Gang, Rumlog, yeah, dude, totally.
Or we attempt to be, I guess.
Do prostitutes. Roger Hill said, do prostitutes verge yet? Yes, they do, man. Like prostitutes and take prostitutes. No, I don't believe so. F66 Z6S 10% what, dude? 10% what? Wow, BTC. Wow.
Wow.
10% what, dude? That's just random stuff.
This thing's making my forehead hot.
Only one person actually died at that Bass Nectar set, and apparently Fent was his jam. So, well, I don't know what to say. It said, yeah, dude, that doesn't mean there weren't like a ton of people like literally going into like the hospital. It was
What happened?
We were just talking about a Bass Nectar concert. I'd never gone to a concert, but I was outside of one on New Year's.
You never been to a concert?
A Bass Nectar concert.
Oh, okay. Good.
So,
Sorry.
why are you rushing me?
I didn't mean to throw you off with that. That's why.
And you're like, come on. I'm like, I'll tell them the story.
Go ahead.
And like, yeah, there were like tons of people like getting like paramedics. They're like overdosing and people getting arrested and stuff. I'm like, well, I don't know. What is this, man? This is weird. I don't know if I want to go in there, dude. I don't think it's like, I love the music. I'm just not. Only some of the music.
Well, it's because they're like rowdy, you know?
Some of the music is extremely bad. I'm sorry. Like, I'm being completely impartial here and say some of the Bass Nectar music is terrible. Like,
like
what
you have
is
to be
that?
into it.
Yeah, no, but I love some of the songs, okay?
Yeah. But like those kind of concerts just get rowdy. Like you're supposed to like wild out a little bit.
We wildin'.
Yeah, you're supposed to wild out and do things that you shouldn't do normally.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Interesting. Well, that's cool. Whoa. Okay. There was bad acids. Yeah, well.
What?
I don't know. You're gonna make a Le Cordon Bleu style burger, J-Togs, man. Enjoy that, man. Enjoy it and take a bite for me, man. Honor me. And one bite has to be for me, J-Togs. Okay, man. That's it. Alright, Rimlog, dude, you gotta go see about a girl. Have fun, dude. Thanks so much, man, for the 50. Keeping us on, keeping this thing going. And appreciate it, dude, okay? Much love.
Have a good night.
Yeah, dude, for sure. Alright. Let's go back to Bitcoin real quick, and then I think we can just wrap it up, man. We'll wrap it up. Okay, 3440. Unfortunately, the pump has been dumped, and now we're just up sloping. Higher lows, higher highs, but not threatening previous highs. More major highs before. So, weekend warrior stuff, alright? A major weekend, Joffrey, man. I'm glad to hear it, dude. Awesome, dude. Very cool. Wow, Beatmaster, that's not good, man. Better whip them into shape, alright? So, y'all, it's been absolutely an honor and a privilege to be able to strengthen night with y'all. So, spend the Saturday night together. All right. So, I will be back tomorrow sometime. Princess, say goodbye.
Good night, y'all.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Until next time. Respect the T-Bay.
Black Hat Incognito style. Shout out to my man Mitch Ray, the best in the TA in the entire business. Got a bottle of tasted larceny.
Gangs, baby, gangs.
Ugh. Good lord. Hope you're happy, man. God. Yeah, love you. Miss you. See you guys soon.
Baby T. Prioritize, man. Gangster. Enjoyed the sights and sounds of the drinks. Love you all. Have a good one.
longest day.